With the rest of the auto-bleeds who call me by my name and never stop to ask my heart if I really wanted to spend my time chilling in the dark and shit. I grew up with smiling clouds and happy symbols. Found my way to reality, scowling through the window. We said most just take the path and truly fail to comprehend. So they left amongst the rubble when they step into the lion's den.
Sunset, this lone wolf stops to howl at the moon. Let's get that slow motion entrance that capture a room. Cause we're the center stage and chillin' and back with my goons. This is for them rainy days and the change that's happening soon. The things I say make these rappers fast track to they tune. Or they underdeveloped and have to call back in their womb. I breathe hazardous fumes, the whom it ever concerned. Trying to act like they a part of this cheddar that's earned. Though it's smarter to save, I think it's better to burn. Like trying to get them 24s in that Chevy to turn. I got that good stuff, that Southern Cali hookup. Out of town, I send my workout, let my products do the push-ups. Like